Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today I'll be showing you guys this glossy eyelid look. It is super easy. I will not be showing you my full face. If you guys do want to see how I created it, then comment below. But for now, let's get straight into the video. So I usually don't do my eyeshadow last. I usually do it after my eyebrows. But because my eyelids are going to be glossy, I thought let's do it this way. So this eyeshadow palette is actually from Amazon, and I'm going to take this like browny orange type of colour and literally just put it on my crease. And when I'm doing eyeshadow, I like to do the same steps as I go along. I don't like to finish one eye then go to the next eye, then yeah, it's long. So every single step I do to my right eye, I literally do it to my left without carrying on. Now I'm just taking a normal blending brush just to blend in any harsh lines so it looks cute or whatever. And it's pretty simple. I'm literally just adding as much product as I want until I'm happy with how it looks, really. Then I'm taking this brown from my Makeup Revolution palette. I will list it down below because I do not know what it is. Ever so gently rubbing that into my crease on both sides. I chose brown because I just wanted to give my eyes a bit more definition so they didn't look flat, and I'm literally doing the same steps that I did to the orange. Blend, 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 then pack on the product and then blend again. After about 5 minutes, once I was happy with how it looked, I then took this colour from the first palette that I got from Amazon and used my finger to literally dab it on ever so lightly. Trust me guys, I've tried this look about 3 times. Try and make your application really smooth and stay away from bold glitters. Now for the gloss. Start off by taking the smallest amount of lip gloss and dab it on the middle of your lid and then work your way around it. Once that's evenly applied, I do the same steps again. As you guys can see, I put gloss above my crease line because if I was to close my eyes, then obviously the gloss would already be on my upper lid. Is it my upper lid? I don't actually know what it's called, but all I'm saying is make sure that you do the gloss above your crease line. For the finishing touches, I add the same brown and orange to my lower lash line. Right, no one should judge me. This is LA Girl Concealer in the colour Toffee. I couldn't find my nude lipstick. Please don't judge me. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope that I helped in some way. Please like, comment, subscribe, all of that. And I will see you guys soon. Bye.